Hello everyone, today we'll be working on a 2011 Ford Escape. The problem with this car is that the interior blower motor is not working. And 9 times out of 10 it's going to be a blower motor resistor. So let's take a look at that. To get to the blower motor resistor on this car, you open up the glove box. And then you press the two sides of the glove box in like this and let the glove box drop down. Alright, so this is a little bit difficult to get to. If necessary, you can use a pick like this to press the tab. You have to press this tab in. It's right on the back side of here. I can feel it with my finger. It's a little hard to press. There we go. This is this tab right here that you want to press. It's very difficult to see. You push it in, and then you can pull this connector off. Alright, there's 2 screws that you have to pull out to get this thing out. And I'm just going to use a 8mm socket, deep socket on a ratchet. Alright, there's the screw. There's 2 of these that hold this in. Once you get the 2 screws out, just reach up in here. I know it's hard to see, I'm getting in the way of the camera, but just pull it out just like that. And you want to note the orientation on this thing. There's one corner cut off that goes on like the top left side. You see that corner cut off right there. The other ones are square corners, so want to keep the orientation the same. Alright, so here's the new one that I picked up from a local auto parts store. So you just want to make sure that the gasket is in place, and you want to stick this in. It sits right in the slot, right up here. And put the 2 screws back in. Alright, I switched to a short socket, 8mm. I found it fits better. So I've got the screws in. Now just plug the connector back in. Snapped into place, and put the glove box back in. Press the sides in, sits into place. Okay, let's start it up and see if we got cold air and blower motor in all the positions. Number 1's blowing now, number 2, number 3, and number 4. We're good. Before we only had blower motor operation on position number 4, which was the highest. So 9 times out of 10 it will be that blower motor resistor. Things that could also be would be the switch or the wiring. You just have to check. But 9 times out of 10 that blower motor resistor will fix the problem for you. Okay, hope this helps.